have completed our form. What we're going to do now, we're going to put some restrictions on it so that the person is not able to change the structure or the other parts on the form which are not required to be changed, right? We only want the person to enter the data in the parts that we did the content controls for, right? So we're going to go up to the developer ribbon. Then in the protect group, we're going to click restrict editing. Then we're going to choose the second option, and it says allow only this type of editing in a document. So the default is no changes, which is a read-only document. We're going to choose the drop-down arrow. I'm going to make it a fillable form by clicking fill in forms. Then the third step in the 3 steps for restrict editing is to click yes to enable the enforcement, right? So it gives us the option to put a password on it, but we're gonna skip that process and we're just gonna click OK for today's video. We can close this. And here now, if you click on any part of the form, you're not able to enter or change any parts which does not give you permission to do so. So we can change the date. We can enter our name, start with Mr. as our first name or surname. We can enter Hugh. Our address, we can put YouTube if that's your address. Then we can put for the city, we can put online. For the state, we're gonna put .com. For the phone number, we're gonna put 123. For email address, we're gonna put CAD at somewhere. And for occupation, we're gonna select student for today. Is this our first application? We're gonna put yes. Then here we have the drop down arrow. We can choose the type of service. We're gonna choose express service. And this is the fillable form.